Today on Ask Your Agent, what is meant by the term lender-required repairs on an appraisal report? If an appraisal report comes back with lender-required repairs as a condition of the loan, those are repairs that a lender requires to be made to a property before approving a loan for that property. The lender may require these repairs to ensure that the property meets certain safety or structural standards, or to protect their investment in the property. These repairs may be included in the appraisal report as lender-required repairs. A few examples of these lender-required repairs may include fixing a leaky roof, repairing holes in siding, or remedying peeling paint. Repairs can range from minor to major in terms of scope and expense, and often require a licensed contractor to do the work. The lender may require that these types of repairs be completed before they will approve the loan, or they may require that the repairs be completed within a certain time frame after the loan is approved. It's important for both the buyer and seller to be aware of any lender-required repairs that are identified in an appraisal report, as they can impact the terms of the sale and the ability of the buyer to secure financing for the property. I'm Holly Bednar, the Noble team with eXp Realty. You deserve to have qualified, experienced experts in your corner. If you're thinking about purchasing a home or listing your property to sell, this information is just a small piece of the whole picture in the very complicated real estate transaction process. Please reach out with any questions about what you'll need in order to buy or sell a property. My team and I are here to assist you. Thanks for watching, keep your questions coming, and always remember, a home changes everything.